Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to ALEC 102, Interpersonal Skills for Leadership. This is section 703, our online course, and I'm Jim. I'm the instructor, and I want to welcome you to ALEC 102, and I think many of you may be new to UNL, so welcome to UNL. I'm glad you're a part of this course. I look forward to getting to know you, and I look forward to us visiting together about interpersonal skills for leadership. So the purpose of this short video is to give you an overview of the syllabus and also just a brief overview of the Canvas page as to how this course will operate week to week. So let's jump right in. Here is the syllabus, and there's a brief bio about myself, and I'll be teaching the course from Iowa because of our COVID season. Here's my contact information, phone number, I text, email address, and then I'll also be scheduling some Zoom sessions. So here is our required text, Interpersonal Skills for Leadership, and I encourage you to get that text as quickly as you can because we jump right into it in the course. So again, there's a personal note from me, and I'm just really looking forward to teaching this course. I've taught ALEC 102 a number of times. I enjoy the interaction and look forward to as we learn about leadership and interpersonal skills together. So here is a description of the course, and the key learning outcomes that we aim to hope for are in red. You can see the learning outcomes. You can see the class activities we'll do to achieve those, as well as the assignments and how that corresponds to each chapter. So this course is very purposefully and intentionally set up to work through the textbook, but to be teaching about the personal level of leadership. So you'll be learning about yourself and some of your own views of leadership, and in particular how interpersonal skills are an important, vital part of the way we influence others. Okay, so this is also a course that meets an ACE2 requirement, and so we will have presentations that you will make to the class both individually and as a team so that we meet the requirements for an ACE2 communication class. And then finally, this class will give you an opportunity at team skills and critical thinking skills. A lot of the work we do is in teams, and a lot of the work involves problem solving, thinking, creativity, analyzing, evaluating as we go through the material. So here is an overview of the course requirements. I'm not going to read all these, but encourage you to. There's the student contribution, the participation, online requirements, the participation and preparation for this class. Again, as an online class, attendance is being present online and working through it week to week and going through the material, participating in the discussions and in the assignments. And at the end of this video, I'll highlight how we have set the course up in weekly modules and how you can go through, be prepared to go through it week by week. So there are online quizzes during the week. There's a weekly module each week. If you go to the Canvas page, your home page is set up to be the modules, and here's week 1 module. There'll be a module for each week, which will have an overview, which explains what to do for that week, what to read, what to watch, and the assignments. So we try to keep this organized and clear and simple so that you can follow it. So let me highlight just a few of the key assignments in the class. This is a project-based service learning course, so you will have a service project that you will do together as a team, and that has group aspects to it and it has individual aspects to it, but it's a key part of the course, and you need to complete this service project together as a team in order to pass the course. There will be on Canvas very soon tutorials and instructions for how you can sign up and how you put together this project over the course of the semester. We'll be using the Give Pulse website, and there'll be places for you to pick an agency, organize yourself as a team, enter impacts and hours and milestones, and So that will all be clear as you read about that on Canvas. So a second part of this course is critical reflection journals. There'll be 5 of those that will give you an opportunity to kind of ask what, so what, and now what, and reflect critically about some of the things that you're learning, both in the service learning project, but also in the course material. Then there are some key presentations for this class, again, because it meets ACE2 requirement. There's project-based presentations, a couple updates, 1 and 2. You're going to do an interview on a great leader with a presentation and podcast on that. Then a presentation on your own personal leadership philosophy. Then your group will do a service project, group project at the end about how your project went. And then finally, so that covers your presentations. And then you'll also do an interpersonal skills and personal leadership portfolio at the end. This will be in lieu of the final and will include a number of things in it that will cover the whole semester in terms of interpersonal skills and your leadership portfolio. So here's kind of the grading matrix of how it breaks down. The quizzes and online discussions and activities are here. There's your service learning project, your critical reflection journals, the class presentations that you have, and the final leadership interpersonal skills portfolio. So that breaks down the points for the semester. Here are some other policies and information for you to be aware of. I think the key thing to be aware of is our ALEC department has a policy about participating and being active every week in the online course, because if you're going to learn about interpersonal skills and learn about leadership, we're going to have to interact together. And so therefore, you don't want to miss classes. If you miss a whole week and don't come on, then it happens a second week, that really amounts to 4 class absences, and by the 5th class absence, you will fail the class. So we don't want that to happen, so we encourage you to be on each week and every week. Being online, you can access it from anywhere at any time, and so that should make it easy to fulfill that requirement. So, but you'll want to read through this so you're aware of the impact of excused and unexcused absences. All of the policies are right here, and then when you go to the end of the syllabus, there is a course schedule. And this lets you see what we're doing. It's arranged by week. And what we do for each week and how the weekly schedule works. So you can scan through this, download this, and have this for your semester schedule. So, okay, let's go to Canvas so that you can see how the course works. I have up the student view on Canvas. Here is the home page, and when you go there, the modules show up. Here's the Welcome to Class and Syllabus video that you're watching, and then the course overview and the weekly schedule for the class. I click on this. This explains kind of an overview of the class, of how it works, and you can read through that. And we'll pop back here to Canvas. So what's key is on the weekly schedule, every Monday morning, I'll pop up the new module for the week, and there'll be a module overview there, and on that module overview it will list what to watch, what to read, what assignments, and any notes that I want to give you. So you want to check that first thing. The way our weekly schedule will work is you'll get the module opened up on Monday morning. There'll be things due like readings and quizzes and online discussions. Those will always be due Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. For this week, it is Thursday and Sunday. There's nothing due tonight. There is a syllabus quiz on Thursday, your presentation video introducing yourself on Thursday, and then our first discussion by Sunday, which is what is leadership. So everything will be due on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Now, the additional assignments that they are, some of the, like the service learning project, the presentations, the critical reflection journals, by next week, those will all be opened up so you can go to the assignment page and see all the details for those. But for this week, we want to get started with reading over the syllabus, looking at the course overview, and then know you have a syllabus quiz. And then presentation 1, you're going to make a video that introduces yourself, and there's some key information here on what to do to make that video. And for our course, making the videos, we're going to use VidGrid, and here's the VidGrid Help Center and a tutorial so you can know exactly how to make that and how to attach the link to that so that we're able to watch it. And then by Sunday, there'll be our first discussion, which is what is leadership. Just want to get your take on leadership before you've done a lot of reading and thinking in our course, so I know where you're coming from. So, okay, that is the syllabus, and welcome to the course. Again, I'm glad that you're a part of it. I'm looking forward to meeting you. If you have any questions, feel free to text, email, or give me a call. So, okay, great. Thanks.